The transformation begins as raw cotton bales are verified and moved toward processing, destined to become Argentina's The echo tester reading is stable at 99.5% purity, consistent with the bale registration data. Authorization for processing confirmed. Material consistency stabilizing in reactor B. Good. Begin the transfer to the next stage. Temperature is stable at 78.5 degrees, and the pH levels are holding steady at 6.8.
We need to adjust the feed rate to stabilization tank 7. Increase the flow by 5 cubic meters per minute and confirm.
The remarkable transformation occurs at high speed, revealing the intricate structure of interlocking fibers. This
Every adjustment contributes to producing perfectly balanced security paper capable of accepting complex printing layers.
Advanced camera systems analyze every centimeter of the moving web, verifying watermark structures and embedded security threads in real time.
We have final approval on the security patterns for the 20,000 series. Excellent. Initiating transfer to the specialized systems. Compare these measurements against the production standards. The automated report confirms 98% compliance. We can approve the plate.
Look at this definition here. It's spot on. Yeah. Agreed. The calibration is holding steady.
How is the density holding up on the orange layer? We are within the specified parameters. I'm initiating a minor calibration adjustment now.
This is the heart of the operation. These massive intaglio presses use immense force to create the tactile features of the new 20,000 peso note.
The viscosity is holding steady at 85,000. Good, the pumps are maintaining consistent flow pressure.
The sheets move through a sophisticated defect detection corridor. High-speed cameras scan every surface, comparing the ARS 20,000 design against production.
This peak height reading here exceeds the lower bound.
According to the reference chart, that falls within the acceptable range for the intaglio engraving.
Following strict security protocols, the newly printed banknotes advance to the integration phase for advanced anti-counterfeit features. Utilizing advanced UV illumination, the system verifies the placement accuracy of the hidden fluorescent features.
The fluorescence behavior is consistent across the sheet. See the match on the optical signature?
Yes, the verification report is positive.
Dispatch control, shipment confirmed. Loader 1 secured. Manifest confirmed. Seals engaging. Tracking systems active. Departure approved, you are clear to roll.
Convoy 3, approaching Avenida 9 de Julio. Confirm status.
Status green, Command. Proceeding as planned.
Shipment 9643 verified. 20,000 ARS confirmed.
Confirmed. Moving to processing.